This is the quick start video for the DigLife Collective Social Ledger demo and trial. To start out, you can type in the location bar diglife.com/2/trials, and that will take you to the trial document where you'll get an overview of what a social ledger is, the record of everything we say and do. The /dig Mattermost command that we're using here creates some of the social objects that reflect what's going on in our conversations. If we look at the list of current participants, you can join the DigLife Social Ledger Lab Team channel to just talk about it and talk with other people who are using it. And there's a number of communities that have enabled the Mattermost /dig integration, including DiviDAO, Archain Co-op, DeckStack, Internet of People, Open App Ecosystem, Bring Your Own Identity, Proven Secure Solutions, DigLife, DigLife, and the Video Production Group. You can click on the link to learn more about these communities, and if you want to join a community, you can click the join. And it looks like I have this in there twice. If, let's say, I go into Archain, for example, now I'm already in there, so it just brings me right into the main channel, which is usually called Town Square. That's the default, but they renamed it General. We have the conversation going on in the Archain Mattermost discussion in the general channel. And if I type the /dig command all by itself, it gives me a list of pointers and activities. The hearts are norms. These are actions, documents. Okay, I can follow these links and read more about and learn more about the social ledger. If I want to I can see what channels I might want to participate in here. Let's say I want to go into the identity channel, and I want to see what activities are. I can look at the current conversation, and to view the social objects, I can type /dig activities, or just dig A for short. You get a list of all the activities in this group, and I can see that there's member voting, Uport membership, and the work study, and I can click on these links here to get more information. And this shows my current level of commitment to these different activities in here. If I say I'm going to put a little less effort, making less of a commitment this week to Uport membership, so I can click the smiley indicating a little less commitment, and it zooms me in to the Hellenic chart of the Uport membership within the identity group, within the Archain community, which is one of the organizations in the trial run by DiviDAO. And I can, whoops, if I don't hit the wrong thing there, I can hit this and see the voting. Um, I can look at the members here, and I can see that 3 people are signed up as member. I'm the guide. Hit like, subscribe, and Plain Eater is an actor, and we're all in here as novices, although identity is just, I have an expert experience with identity, so I can click the link here, expert, and this will show me the social graph. Notice I'm a little bit larger because I clicked on myself, and it shows me how I'm connecting to other people who are in the trial. The thick lines are the larger number of connections between the people, and that's the social graph there. And if I click on one of these little palette things here in the activities, that will take me to the dashboard, which shows me the activities here in the identity channel, local to where I am, which is another way to view it. I have options here to archive and to go to the activity. It'll bring me into the channel or show me the information. If I click on the work study, for example, the same as if I type the link in the project, I get the project log for that activity. If I click on the member voting, for example, that takes me to the GitHub issue on that, and I can participate with it there. And this is the same thing as if I typed on the member voting in the activity in Mattermost. As a social ledger participant, I want to add a little bit of organization to the channel, if I can, either by joining the team and put my user ID. But I'm already on the team here. I can add a action to the team that's missing that I happen to know about. And I can make a link by putting it in brackets and say, let's see, identity proofs on Ethereum. And then an end bracket, and then a beginning parentheses, and then I can put a URL of the issue in GitHub that refers to, or the document that's relevant for this particular thing. And I paste in the URL and put an end parentheses. This is standard markdown format, which we should all know. We're putting in a link. And now we have a new activity on the list, identity proofs on Ethereum, and I can commit some effort to that. And we see that that now is in the Holonomic diagram. It's small because not many people have committed much to it yet. hopefully people will come in and increase the level of the organization in the various channels and teams they join. /dig help gives you an overview of all the different kinds of activities we have, goals, documents, links, norms, actions, jobs, contracts, and the archival capabilities, and getting lists of activities and things across circles for yourself or for others, and what the various icons mean. So enjoy DigLife and the /dig command. Use it, try it, give us your reactions. We're offering bounties to participants in the social ledger experiment. Thank you very much.